You collect typewriters?
Yes. So who owned this one originally?
My aunt,
My mother's
and it was
Uh-huh.
given to her by her professor.
Uh-huh.
I'll take it off. So there's these little hooks on the side.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And there's instructions what to do
Uh-huh.
with the languages. There are four.
Okay.
They're all here.
Okay. And then I see the yeah.
Yeah, my aunt used to be in languages. She spoke Turkish,
Uh-huh.
English,
Uh-huh.
Greek,
Uh-huh.
I think French.
Hebrew, you said Hebrew or Greek, I mean, or the Arabic, right?
I think one of them was. This says English.
She tells you.
That
You
is
can see it.
Arabic.
Yeah.
It's Arabic,
This says classical Greek.
classical Greek. And then this one is Roman.
What does that say?
Roman?
I think
Modern Roman.
I think this is
Hebrew, right? Yeah.
Can you tell by looking at it?
That's English, yeah. Modern Roman
Or
English.
maybe they got mixed up. Okay.
And this
And what's
one
this
is
one? This
I
is
like the way they have them packed.
This is missing a lid. Oh, it italic?
this is Hebrew, yeah. This is Hebrew.
I don't know what that is. It says italic here, but that just means English.
Classical Greek. This is C, Alpha, Z, Omega, Theta, P, Sigma, Kappa.
They're different. Looks different.
Well, it's because you type with both hands, so certain lender.
Yeah, so
See,
this is the, even though the has a keyboard, we can switch this shutter
Yeah.
from here. And then this keyboard is already Hebrew. Hebrew is two languages, one without vowel, one with the vowel.
Vowel?
Without, yeah, vowel. Consonant and vowel,
That
right?
vowel. Oh yes.
I, A, E, O, U. It's
Yeah.
vowel.
I didn't know Hebrew didn't.
With vowel is for the kids.
Really?
The adults use the write down without vowel.
No vowel?
It's still communicate.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the Hebrew. So
Okay.
this is very rare because this one is with vowel for the kids.
The vowels.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
they need cleaning.
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
And the,
So let me see. There is maybe more. It's someone put the wrong way. It's
Mom, can you flick the switch for the light? There we go.
I didn't want to touch it.
this is I think it's one of the.
I can't see without my glasses. And there's one here too.
Which, let me see. It looks like Greek. Looks like
Is
Greek.
that Greek legacy?
Mom's Greek, so.
You have my glasses, I
I'll
can
go
do
get
that.
them.
Yeah, I should see you here. Yeah, they'll do.
This is English.
Yeah, this is theta. See? Yeah, this is Greek. Yeah, it would be Greek because she spoke Greek.
Do you know how to switch the direction?
No?
No, it's right now it's moving, but for the Hebrew, you should move this direction.
Oh, I don't know how to reverse it.
I have a couple Hammond, but This is the first time for the reversal.
Yeah, you have to.
Not this one, not there.
No,
I
I'm
take.
trying to
yeah,
put
yeah,
that
okay.
back.
It should be like this, and then here is a 50.
Yeah, you know more than I do.
It's a given direction. So it's bent. This is bent. Ribbon shoulder. It's bented. So it's broken. Ribbon shoulder is broken. This is a ribbon direction.
So you know how to use this all
Yeah,
the
yeah.
typewriters. I have no idea.
Also, we need the protector here.
Yeah.
The strip from here to here, the missing. This hold the one strip.
Oh.
It's like a rubber band.
Okay, I know
So
what you mean.
it's for the
That holds-
protected the hammer hit the ladder. Between ladder, paper, and then behind
Yeah.
the paper there is a rubber
Yeah.
holder.
Usually.
It's soft. Yeah, make
Yeah.
soft. Inside maybe we can get the fresh one, little bit fresh one. But outside is already dry. Left part is stuck. Right part is okay. Left part it was stuck. See? Left part was fully stuck. Right part working. See? One of the main problem, this continually stuck the letters because it's broken.
Yeah.
So that's why sometimes turn, sometimes does not turn. With the hold like this, it's a turn, but the problem is that we can get the ink because then we need like this whole
It
thing.
has to be back.
Yeah, see,
I
then
don't
it's
know.
turn, but
Yeah.
it was broken, and then we can get some letter, but I'm not sure. And then protector missing. Right now it's set up for the English version. That means we can carry the to the right side, move to the right side, and then carriage release. Using the carriage release, we can carriage move to the left side like this. So that means right now this gear does not touch this carriage, the dented. So this one is connected with this. Now if we switch to this one for the Hebrew version, then should be this one go into this side, and then this one come back. I mean the release from under this to move like this in this way, but does not move. So that's why it does not carriage work properly. The carriage does not work properly because of both gear under the same rail. It's because it should be different way of the movement, but they are hold together, so that's why I stop. So my next solution is I need this one, this gear need to move this side, so only this gear stay there under this rail, and then it can be okay. If without base, if we put the Hammond like this, it's damage on the gear. That's why they got a hole here. They got a hole in the base. That means even though on the base, still they need enough space. So it's not good method. But this one is a little different because I put already, this one is a leg, long leg, right? So that's why every machine has the base like this, right? Yeah. So in order to put the base, I want to show something. See, this one, before that, there is another this one, another like this, and then nice bumper, and then this cover like this. It's very well designed. So I want to put this one here, and then I'll show you again. Okay. Good morning. Today's topic like this machine. All same shape using the ladder shutter, and then behind the ladder shutter, hammer hit the ladder shutter. So yeah, I already reviewed this one, and then this two. This two is a folding one, folding multiplex. This is a berry typer. I already reviewed this and this, and then I didn't review this one, and then also this one. This is a very meaningful typewriter. I will review later after cleaning. I bought this one is almost 1 year ago, and then today topic is this one. Okay, so what is different is multiplex, same one, right? But this is very special. See, yeah, I will show you this one. Also, this is very special. I reviewed maybe 1 week later. Wow. This is another berry type. See this frame. This is first frame, right? Like this. It was manufactured in 19 around 29 something. Yeah. So okay, let's remove everything and then just focus this one. Very special typewriter. First look at the keys. You know the Hebrew, right? Hebrew. The adult they use without vowel symbol, but this has the vowel symbol. That means it's called Yiddish, according to the Gideon who live in the between Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. He's my friend, so he helped me a lot to realize this typewriter, to understand why it's special. This is a regular multiplex Hammond typewriter, right? This one only move to the if we hit any key or space, it's right to left, right? But this one also move to the right to the left, right? But we can reverse. See, there is a sign to reverse. Place at 45, then turn river. Turn river means this one. 45 means it's look at detail inside here, and then it's 80, and then end of the 90, right? That means in the middle. Middle means 45. But when I open the behind, it doesn't matter actually. But if you stay in the middle, it's the best way to reverse. Why? Because it's in the middle means for the change the gear, it's a very safe zone. So that's why they recommend like this. So they're very rare and special, this one. And then I got another keyboard layout. See, this one is I think Arabic keyboard. So if we change this shuttle, ladder shuttle, and then reverse to the Hebrew and Arabic, then we can use this typewriter. But unfortunately, even though seller said we can use the Arabic, the Arabic letter, but the seller only has this one, no letter shutter. But we are luckily we have the Yiddish letter shutter. I'll show you later. Also, we can use this one also. This is classic Greek. I am lucky to find this one also, and then the seller has this classic Greek the letter shutter. So yeah, I'll show you. Wait a minute. For the classic Greek in the case Hammond type shutter, right? So okay, you can get this one. This one is a classic Greek. So very happy I found this one. For the selected IBM Selectric, right? They also has like this one. And then the IBM Selectric case like this, right? Ball typewriter. But the Berry type used like this case. But Hammond all use like this one, this case. More the antique or more. I have a lot of the shuttle. I'll show you later. Anyway, so that means we can type using this one for the classic Greek or Greek, English, French, any language like that, and then Hebrew, Arabic. But unfortunately, not Korean, not Japanese. Maybe Hitakana, Katakana only, not without the Chinese character. Yeah, that kind of stuff. So yeah, very unique. I show you how to switch from English to what is it called, Yiddish, and then a little bit compared to what is the difference between. Of course, the direction change is different, right? Yeah, let's put some paper. Before putting the paper from top to the down, we can put paper from top to down, but I wanna show you something other stuff. This kind of typewriter, we needed the protected strip. It's called the impression strip, because this behind the hammer hit like this to the letter. So just the paper, they think it's not enough to protect the letter here or the hammer. So that's why we need like this one. But I made this one. Okay, I show you what material I use. Yeah, I made one more for the Berry typewriter. This is for the Hammond, right? Little bit different is like this design around here. Depending on the model length, the length also a little bit different. So you need measuring. So I measure hole from to here, and then I used this one for the in the middle. Actually, original one I looks like they used the louver, the elastic louver, but I used just electric tape. The just one is not enough, so I used the two sticky one together, attach and then measure like from to here, and then and the side it's more should be strong, right? Because they need a hole, so that's why I used this tape, heavy duty this one. The normally eBay on eBay someone sell this one like around $20, but I bought this together like electronic tape is $6.99, and then the Gorilla tape is 459, so around 7.5 and then $13, right? I can make a huge. I already made another one for the very tight. So this is very important because without that, maybe we need. We can get the damage the letter shorter. This is a very shorter stuff. So you should use this one, or for emergency case, we can put the strip paper, something like that. So to make like a bumper, yeah. Then maybe it'll be okay. Okay, now put the paper. Of course, for paper, should be between the protector, means the strip and then ribbon, right? Yeah. Then actually the ribbon should was bented and then tear down, but I made more straight for temporary use, so it will be okay right now. Okay, yeah. Then paper put going down like this, and then so like this, and then a little bit up, yeah. Then we can see the letter. Okay. I put the English first. Yeah, okay. Because it's the Yiddish letter, so we need the keyboard a little bit different. How about the beautiful day? Okay. Okay, let's see. Beautiful day with the beautiful script, right? Yeah, this font is very expensive. This typeface, yeah, it's sunshine, so a little bit it's look harder to look at. I turned like this. Yeah. Beautiful day, right? Yeah. And then I switch the this lever to the Hebrew and then Arabic. In order to do that, first we need to move in the middle this one, like this, the edge of this rail, and then carriage the maybe, yeah, like this, or one more space. Yeah, right now it's in the middle, and then we can hold this one a little bit up, and then switch like this. But I used the one hand, so a little bit okay. And then let's see. Yeah, it's a move to the right, right? Let's see. Carries it's now move to the right. So we need to move back to here, and then we can write down some letter, beautiful letter. So in order to do that, we need to switch this shutter from English to the Yiddish, Hebrew. Okay. To raise this one like this, actually from here to like this, and then we can raise this like this, and then we can turn. Okay, I use the one hand, so it's very hard to professionally turn. Let's see. Turn. Oh. button, and then we need the center for this one. Okay, just to use one hand, it's not good idea. So use the both hand is better. Okay, now I changed the letter shuttle from English to the Hebrew. So what is the good word Hebrew? Shalom. Yeah, it's a shin, right? See, let's see. Yeah, shalom. Yeah, we got a beautiful word Hebrew, right? Yeah. For English is the beautiful day, and then Hebrew it's shalom. Okay, this day in the world we need this word shalom. Okay, so it's very hard to realize this reverse because it's totally stuck inside. I took off everything this one, and then I look at the gear as you see the video before cleaning. So I took 2 days to realize everything. Right now everything works perfect except the backspace. We need to adjust around here the bottom line, but it's very hard to unscrew that one. So right now I cannot do that. So except that, right now everything works. All right. If you have any question about this type of typewriter, maybe I can answer to your question because I already like a 2 folding typewriter and then Hammond 3 multiflex and then 1 battery type. So also 2 electronic battery typer. So yeah. So any question, let me know that. Thank you for watching.